This is Pioneer's AVH-2500NEX. This is an in-dash AM/FM and HD radio, CD and DVD receiver with a 6.8-inch touchscreen. The AVH-2500NEX is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Apple HomeKit when connected to a compatible iPhone using a wired connection through USB. The AVH-2500NEX is also compatible with Android Auto and Google Home when connected to a compatible Android phone with a wired connection through USB. The AVH-2500NEX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and is backup camera ready and Sirius XM ready. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay. First thing we have here is the wire harness, and we'll use the wire harness to make all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver to the vehicle. So that would be power, ground, speakers, all of the electrical connections. Next up, we have the USB extension. Now, the USB port is on the back of this in-dash receiver, so we include a USB extension in the box so you can bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle so you can run Apple CarPlay or Android Auto from your phone. Next up, we have the Bluetooth microphone. The Bluetooth microphone here is for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls, and it comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Here we have some install screws. And next we have the quick start guide. Now be sure to download a complete copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right onto your cell phone from pioneerelectronics.com. And last thing here is the warranty card. Okay, let's get the in-dash receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the AVH-2500NEX has a simple layout. The CD and DVD slot is across the top here. The volume control is here, and the home key and display keys are here. This is the voice activation key. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 6.8-inch touchscreen. The back panel of the AVH-2500NEX starts off with 2 black plugs up here. The Bluetooth microphone included with the product will plug in right here. And this jack can be used to operate your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. You'll use this port for the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM. Here is the USB port that can be used for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. The USB port can also be used for music, movies, and still images through a USB flash drive. And remember, we include a USB extension in the box to bring the USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next is the audio and video auxiliary input. And this is where you'll plug in the power and ground wire harness connected to the vehicle. On the other side, we start off with 3 sets of 4-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer output, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low output. The yellow port is for adding on the optional AVH-2500 navigation system from Pioneer. And the brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. Here is the audio and video RCA input and RCA video output. And finally, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's AVH-2500NEX, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto in-dash receiver. And what's in the box?